Anytime Fitness is located at 469 Eastern Bypass in Richmond, and they want to help you look and feel your best. Sign a 12-month contract in January and get 2 months free, or sign a 24-month contract and get 4 months free. All that going on in the month of January at Anytime Fitness in Richmond or anytimefitness.com.
This past Saturday, near the intersection of Concord and Charlie Norris roads, a mobile home was overturned. The resident, Miss Faye Campbell of Richmond, stated that the wind had hit hard and quickly and that the straight-line winds were estimated to be over 60 miles an hour that night. Luckily, all occupants at the time were not seriously injured. If you wish to donate to the recovery of Faye Campbell's property, WBON-TV will leave a link to her GoFundMe page in the description of the post. And for more stories like these, be sure to visit WBONTV.com. I'm Austin Hanks. For more stories like these, be sure to visit WBONTV.com. I'm Austin Hanks.